If you want to integrate M-Pesa payments in your Node.js app, this is the fastest way to do it. By the end of this video, you will have a complete working STK push integration. User enters amount, gets a prompt on their phone, enters their PIN, and your backend receives the confirmation automatically. No fluff, no theory, just real working code. Let's build this. Before you write any code, you need 3 things. First, a DARAJA account. Go to Safaricom developer portal and sign up, it's free. Second, create an app. Inside the portal, create an app and get your consumer key and consumer secret. Save this. You will use them for authentication. Third, a Node.js project. Create your project directory. Run this to create your server directory and install dependencies. Once it's done, create your React app to view the payment form. That's it. Let's move to the real part. Everything starts with authentication. Safaricom requires an access token for every request you make. So first, we generate that token. What's happening here is simple. We take the consumer key and the consumer secret, combine them, then encode them in base 64. That gives us an access token, which we'll use in the next step. Let me run this to view the token. That right there is a valid token which expires every hour. So we'll generate it dynamically. Now, this is the part you actually care about: triggering the payment. This function sends an STK push directly to the user's phone. They enter their PIN and the payment is completed. Now, pay attention to this. First, the password. It's your shortcode, your passkey, and a timestamp encoded together. Second, phone number format. Always start with 254, not 07. Third, and this is critical, your callback URL. This is where Safaricom sends the result after the user completes payment. Let me trigger this. I will use the Safaricom test number. If you see a response like this, the request was successful. Now this part is where most people fail. When the user enters their PIN, Safaricom sends a post request to your server. And this line is the most important in your entire integration. You must respond immediately. If you delay, Safaricom will retry the request, and that can cause duplicate payments. So always respond first, then process. After that, you extract the data. Amount, phone number, and the M-Pesa received. Let's test our callback. Now we'll submit the form. The payment initiated successfully. The STK push has been sent to my phone. You can see it's right there. Let me enter my PIN to confirm. And then we'll open the server. As you can see, the callback received, payment success, the amount, receipt, and the phone. So now our callback works. If you have any database record, you can now update. Once Sandbox works, here is how you go live. Replace Sandbox URL with production. Use your real pay bill or till number. Submit your app on DARAJA for approval. Store credentials in environment variables. Add validation plus logging. That's it. You are live. And that's the full flow from the request to payment to confirmation. I have linked the full code below. If you are building something, drop it in the comments and subscribe, because I'm breaking down more real-world systems like this. See you in the next one.